Hard up, unraveled. Understanding the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, hard up. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, how to use it, and where it comes from. Let's jump right in. The phrase, hard up, is an informal expression, and it means being in a situation where someone is short of money or facing financial difficulties. In simple terms, if someone is hard up, they don't have much money at that time. Example: Sarah wanted to buy a new dress, but she's a bit hard up this month, so she decided to wait. Hard. This word usually means solid, firm, or difficult. In this context, it hints at the difficulty or challenge of a situation. Up. This word can have various meanings in English. In hard up, it doesn't literally mean the direction upwards. It's just a part of the idiomatic expression. Together, these words form the phrase that describes the challenge of not having enough money. To better understand and remember this phrase, let's look at some more examples. 1. I'd love to join you for dinner, but I'm hard up until payday. 2. After paying all the bills, he found himself hard up and couldn't afford to go to the movies. 3. Many families were hard up during the economic recession. To expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for hard up. Broke, strapped for cash, penniless, cash-strapped. Remember, context is crucial. While these synonyms can be used interchangeably in some scenarios, they might have slightly different nuances or emphases. There you have it. Hard up simply means being in a situation where you don't have much money. Now, whenever you hear or see this phrase, you'll know exactly what it means. We hope you found this explanation helpful. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.